In the heart of the jungle, where life thrives in harmony, a curious young elephant named Little Tusk ventured too far from the safety of his family. His tiny heart pounded with fear, but hope pushed him forward. He called out to the trees, the rivers, the skies, but only silence answered. And then, the darkest shadow fell. Trapped by the greed of men, Little Tusk's dreams of reunion shattered. But the forest watches over its own. Guided by fate, the protectors of the wild found him. Gentle hands mended what cruelty had broken. Against all odds, he survived. And then, the moment that healed his spirit, a mother's embrace, a family's love. In the jungle's embrace, wounds heal, and love finds its way. Little Tusk was home again, forever.